Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy International Women's Day to all of you lovely ladies out there. And by the way, if you are living in the UK and in other European states, you might know that we also celebrate the Mother's Day on the same March 8th. So yeah, happy International Women's Day and happy Mother's Day to all of you who are celebrating both two on the same date. So for today's video I wanted to put together my second edition of Get Ready With Me using products from brands that have been founded by women. So if you are into this, please continue watching, and if you are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe because it will help me out a lot. Alright you guys, and if I forgot to mention that in the intro, this video is also dedicated to my mother's memory, who left this earth on March 8, 2020. So I wanted to remind myself and remind you also about the wonderful woman that was my mother, and she was very much loving this day, March 8th, International Women's Day. So I think somehow fate made her this last favor. Actually, this is the second time when I'm recording this video. I did another look with the same product a few days ago. Just I thought something is off. As I mentioned in the beginning, we have makeup from brands that have been founded by women, and I also have brushes. I have brushes from BK Beauty, from Sonia G, and also from Zoeva. Zoeva was founded by a lady in Germany. Let's start with primer. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. So I hope you will not hear my husband talking in the background because he has a conversation ongoing. I told him to keep it low, but you know how it is. So I'll be really curious to hear about your plans for this day. What are you going to do? So I haven't yet decided. Well, last year I went with my friends for dinner and a glass of wine, but this year we haven't decided yet what we are going to do. For foundation, I'm going to use this by Rose Inc, the Skin Enhance Luminous Tinted Serum. I have it in the shade 030. Guys, all the products are going to be listed down below on my description box. So this is a tinted moisturizer, and I love it because it is so lightweight and you look like you are just naturally put together. Look what it transforms when you touch it. And I use the BK Beauty 101 brush. This is the travel set, the one from Travel Set. I want to continue this tradition and do this Get Ready With Me each year because yeah, it's nice to share this woman empowering woman. So I wanted to have this message from me to all women around the world. I'm not going to build it up because I'm going to use this concealer. Actually, this is a foundation by Bobbi Brown, and this is the stick foundation in the shade Cool Ivory. And I'm almost out, not almost, but I have used a good chunk of it. I just forgot how much I enjoyed this. Hopefully it's not discontinued. Before I'm going to set everything, I will use the contour stick from Westman Atelier. So I have this in the shade Biscuit, and the brand was founded by Gucci Westman. And I will do that using my favorite brush for this purpose, the Sonia G blender. No, this is the Jumbo base. For my blush, I'm going to use the Westman Atelier Baby Cheek blush in the shade Chouchette. This is so natural. Oh my god. For someone with textured cheeks, this is ideal. So we are not going to use any blush on top to cover or to kill the beautiful shade I have. So I wasn't believing that I'm going to enjoy Chouchette so much because it's more peachy. So I prefer to have my blushes rather pink, but I love it. Let me know if you don't like this. I want to set my face, but before doing that, I will use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. So starting by setting the under eye area, and I'm also going to use this for the face because I do not have other powder from a woman founded makeup brand. So this is the Airbrush. It has a long name. I will not torture you or my tongue to mention it, but it's the Airbrush setting powder in the shade Fair Light. We are going to continue with the same setting powder from Charlotte, but only I'm setting the place where I normally get shiny. Before going on, I'm going to do my lips because I don't like the way my face looks when I do not have lipstick. So I have those two lip liners from Dose of Colors. So as far I remember, the creator, it's a lovely lady. She was born in Armenia, I think. The lipstick that I'm going to use is by Honest Beauty. This is the Honest Beauty lipstick or lip crayon in the shade Fig. So it's just a crayon and it looks like that. I love this formula. I have another one that I have used a lot. Look at this. This is in the shade Marsala. But today I wanted to have more color, so I'm going to use this one, because I also use it in the video that I recorded earlier. To finish the face makeup, I'm going to use this bronzer by Tarte. This is the Princess Park Ave Princess. Doesn't have a shade name, it's just Park Ave Princess. It's a very beautiful bronzer. It's more cool toned, so it's working with the Westman Atelier contour. And this is a BK Beauty NG Hot and Flashy A507. Which is very soft and very nice, working to apply contour or blush to your face. And as a highlighter, I'm going to use this one by Natasha Denona. This is the Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. I just love both highlighter and blush, but I'm going to use only the highlighter. This is a Zoeva Crease Brush 228. Just when you do your lips before your highlighter, you will not have the occasion to touch up your Cupid bows, but I think we are fine. Wait and see what is the palette that I was thinking to use. This is the Empowered Eyeshadow Palette by Huda Beauty. So I want all of us lovely ladies to feel empowered and to empower each other. Not only now, but all the time. I'm going to lay my palette down and I'm going to just tell you the shades that I'm going to use. So getting with a Zoeva 228 crease brush. Sadly, this brush is no longer available. I have it from many years and I can definitely tell that Sonia G Blender Pro is the perfect dupe for this. I think this is my most precious brush in my collection. I'm going to take the shade Get It. Getting a BK Beauty 207, running the same shade Get It on my lower lashes. And staying on the same brush, BK Beauty 207, I am now going with the shade Legacy on my outer V. I had no intention to use this all over the lid, but when I've seen that it's so beautiful, I couldn't stop myself. This shade is a stunner. Let me swatch it. It has multiple shifts to it. Definitely a duochrome. And with a smaller brush, also from Zoeva, this is the 234, I'm going to take the shade Bold Moves. This is the men's show. wasn't so into this palette when I got it, especially because it's rather big and also the shades are quite dark for what I'm liking. I would like more contrast, but seeing the shades now, I'm totally into it. Last time I did a different look, so I will be happy to pop it here on the screen. Stay tuned for that. I will insert it at the end of the video. I think I'm going to call it like this. Just I want to use my Charlotte Tilbury liner on my inner corner. This is just gorgeous. And you know that I use it every day. And I was telling you last time that you bet you didn't know that NYX was founded by a woman. It is a businesswoman that has Korean origin. So yeah, I'm going to use the Epic Ink liner outside of camera. Maybe I will insert the one that I did last time because I want to be fast. For mascara, I'm going to use this one from Rare Beauty. I recently purchased the full size together with the liner, but I just remembered that I have a mascara that I haven't used yet, so I tried it first time in the video that I previously recorded, but I was impressed. I like it. So this is the brush. And I'm only going to apply mascara for my upper lashes because on the lower lashes I still have lashes growing on. So it's again that period when they are shading is the term, and I cannot do anything about that. The last step that I'm going to do, and I'm sorry that I should have done it before applying mascara, is to do a spritz of setting spray. Hopefully hasn't transferred. No, yeah, perfect. And this is the final look, guys. This is my full face of makeup using products from brands that have been founded by women. So I want to say again a happy Women's Day and a big congratulations to all women all over the world for all the wonderful job that you are doing. I think women are the power, women are the core on this world. And other than that, I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Don't forget that you are beautiful, and the most beautiful attribute of you is your own smile. So happy International Women's Day and happy Mother's Day for all of you that are celebrating this together with the International Women's Day on March 8th. So see you very soon with another video. Bye you guys!